Hello guys, good morning. This is John Rail here. This video I show you some precious stones that I have in my collections. I should call this some some of my precious stones, my collections, and these are the hidden treasures of the Philippines. The natural resources. Stones that we have here is some kind of precious stones and all its natural forms by nature. We have here have a gemstones, jade stones, some other kind of stones that you see. They are very some kind of unique stones. You see, guys. These are beautiful type of stones. What can you say about my collections? In these videos, this type of stones are quite beautiful and some are precious. You can see if anybody could say which stone is more precious in these videos. Please comment down below and please share with me your thoughts about this type of precious stones that I have here. So I hope that you enjoy watching my videos and I share this to you. So please comment down below and share your thoughts about this. How about this one? What can you say about this huge white stone, yellowish stones? See, this one is big one. This one is green. This one is crystallized. And this one here, pinkish stones, and the left side, this one is some kind of beautiful type stone. About this area, I think this huge big one is sapphire, if I'm not mistaken. This one beautiful, some orange and stones. Then the little one here in the middle, some kind of jade stone. This one is a jade stone or what? A huge big one. About this rock formations, they are so unique and they're so beautiful. This textures and the forms. So you can see, guys, comment down below if you have knowledge about this different type of stones, agate stones and gemstones. Then the jade stones are here. This one is a huge one. It's a beautiful type of stone. Yeah, you see some pure type of stone. So really pure. Now take a look at this, guys. Some are yellowish. This one really beautiful, but this small one is so nice too. Some kind of so soft, beautiful. This one green, and here these two have the the stripe in the middle, all around the stone, white stripe. You see, so white stripe all around the stone, the red stone. Some kind of different type of stone. Some precious. This one, guys, how about this? And lot more here. This one is big, kind of. It's a very nice rock. See, they're pure stones, lovely. Here, this one is a purple white stripes combination of the colors. This white one spotted all over the stone, all around, inside out. Then there's a purple and purple in it. You see, so unique, so beautiful. This one is a big one, so nice. How about that? Here, small stack of stones. You see, guys, plenty of this. So nice, so really nice. This one, what? So soft. Here, there's color stone. Here, the white one, different type of stone. So nice to see. And this one is very rare, and it looks like sapphire. It's a sapphire. I think it's sapphire, if I'm not mistaken. It's a sapphire stone. Please comment down below if you know about these stones, but I thought this is a sapphire. So nice. This one, guys, something different stones. It's a lovely one. It's something looks like some pinkish purple, a combination of the color, something like that. So nice. Here, this one is pinkish. It's purely pinkish. It is lovely pinkish stone. So beautiful. Hear about this. Oh, nice. You see combination of this one is purely gemstones. So you can see that it's a lovely, beautiful stone. And also I have this white crystallized stones. I have plenty of this one. It's so really nice rock. This white crystallized. And also this one is yellowish stone. These are so lovely, unique, beautiful. You can see it's beautiful, unique stone. And this one is green, something like here brownish, a brownish green stone. So look beautiful. Alright guys, what can you say about our collections? Please comment down below and share our videos, and please subscribe for our viewers. You'll have to see more of our collections every time we upload it, so be updated. Follow for more videos and subscribe now. See you guys for the next video, and watch my previous videos of collection stones. See you guys. To God be the glory.